My coworker is the most annoying guy in the world. I wish to God I wasn't so nice to him when I first started working at my new job. I should have wondered why he was so overly nice to me at the start. I thought it was just good manners, but it was purely desperation. You see, the guy is a douchebag, alright? There, I said it. All the other co-workers round on him like he's diseased, and I am the one who is stuck with him and don't know how to get rid of him. I don't mean to sound mean, and I know I probably do, but you don't understand. For example, every morning when I get to the office, I go into the break room to have my morning cup of coffee. It's my moment. The moment that I take before dealing with my loser of a manager and all the other deep shits that I have to smile at and report to. It's this one little coffee moment by myself in the quiet of my tortured life that I work up all the strength and courage that I need to walk down that pathetic hallway to my desk. But no, I have fantastic Andrew popping in now because he knows that I am all alone. So he just jumps at the opportunity to speak to me with his cheese and fart breath about whatever it is he did the night before, which is absolutely nothing all that interesting. I leveled up in my game, man. I leveled up. Who gives a flying shit, man? It's gotten to the point where I'm getting short. I'm cutting off his sentences now and have a growing attitude in my voice every time I respond to his stupid, asinine questions of absolutely no importance to this mankind. You know, the kind of questions that are just asked to keep a useless conversation going? Those questions. But now the poor bastard flipped it on me because he looked at me in the break room this morning and with the saddest puppy dog eyes that I've ever seen on a grown man, he said to me, "You are started to become just like them now. I have started to become just like them now." And he slopped his arms over and walked out like a lonely cartoon. And part of me was elated that he was finally starting to get the hint. But then the other part of me feels bad. Because I am really the kind of guy who likes to be friendly with everyone. And now he's guilting me. He's guilting me. He's guilting me hard. It's just that he's so over the damn top that I don't know how to get him to have normal barometer on the whole co-work friend thing.